Yeah, super rotten, super corky, dude. I'm probably gonna have to cut that right here and kind of chuck that down. That's not gonna stay on there, YouTube. We just noticed the tortoise down here, and well, we think he's got a pretty cool paint job. We like it. Look at that, YouTube. We got a couple little morels out there. Another little turtle. Got some pretty cool landscaping here, folks. We got a couple more morels. A little gnome right there. Another little mushroom right here. And they got the gnome right there. Everybody likes the gnome. We got another morel right there, you know. Super cool stuff, guys. Any of you guys ever hunt morels? You like hunting morels? We like eating them, I know that. So, but I tell you what, we got an ash tree here today. We'll bring it along with you here. What is going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? Somebody blessed me here with a present. I go Damien on August Haneke's video. That was funny. He said he was gonna re-gift it to the chipper. I don't know if anybody saw that. That was friggin' hilarious. But anyway, somebody's gifted me with this tree. We all know what this ribbon means. It means this tree's got to go. I tell you what's going on here. The homeowner's actually doing some add-ons, I believe, and they're gonna do something with the carport here. Maybe extend it, not really too sure. But anyways, this big old ash tree behind us has got to go. So we're gonna bring you guys along. It should be a pretty straightforward climb. I mean, the trunk's a little bit squirrely down through here, but as we go up, it's just branch after branch after branch. We got a little bit of a general liability and stuff right here. Got the house. We got another little gifted tree back here we're gonna bring down. It's a little bit more on the sketchy side of things, but we're definitely gonna get it done. It's another rotten ash tree. We go up towards the top and it starts getting really corky and doty. So, you know, it is what it is. I guess that's in the tree climber's blood, is to do dangerous things. You know, I kind of like to live life on the edge, you know what I mean? So, we're gonna bring you guys along. If you guys enjoy our videos, please give them a like. Go to our channel, check it out. If you like those videos, go ahead and subscribe. We'll see you guys at the top. me grab my glasses from down there?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. All right, thank you. Yeah. Yeah. It is about the greenest one we've cut in a while. Yeah. I'll agree with that. Yeah, most of our ash trees around here, YouTube, they're all dying, and I mean, if you're a tree guy, you guys know what they're dying from. The old ash borer is eating them alive, you know. You know, a helpful little trick for you guys, YouTube. You know, you're climbing, you want to advance your line. Just always do some stuff like this, okay? Give her a little whoop-de-loop. Okay. Do that, YouTube. And get your rope back. No way, that limb's holding on there?
Yeah, just sitting there floating.
Oh, wow. Well, today, YouTube, I think today we're going to kind of discuss the topic of some natural crotch rigging. You know, we'll probably be doing a little bit of this in the beginning here, maybe. Basically what I got going on, I'm gonna tie in right here for now on my way. And I'm rigging up above me here in this situation to kind of kick this out away from the carport. And we're gonna go after this limb here that it's touching there. We're gonna cinch that up and go ahead and cut it. Get it to kind of come out this way just a little bit from that carport. So, yeah. There you go. All right. I'll try to hinge it out this way. Get my handsaw, Chris. Woo! Man. Yikes. Better keep that in case we get pinched again.
Let her down some or no?
Just hold on to it. I'll try to give you.
Hold on, grab that pole.
Yeah. Sorry about that minor distraction there, YouTube. Makes me look like a rookie. Dang greenhorn, buddy. All right, YouTube. So we finally made it up here. Okay, we got the tie-in set up right here. I got the first primary rigging block set up there, and a secondary here, or you call this the primary and this the secondary. You know, they're like backing each other up. You know, and we're going to be using both ends of the rope here. So we'll do a little bit of rigging over here, then we'll do a little bit of rigging over here, and that'll be that. But we're going to bring you guys along. I tell you what, if you guys are enjoying our videos, you guys like what you're seeing, go ahead and leave the videos a like. Go to our channel, check it out. If you like it there, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you very much. To everybody that has subscribed, we greatly appreciate it. We're a little ways over 1,000 subscribers now, and getting comments and things, you know. And that's another thing, if you guys want to talk to us, leave us a comment, tell us what you think. Negative, positive, I don't really care. Take it all like a grain of salt. So all right, YouTube, so our first objective is to go down there, and we're going to get that lowest limb off of there. And I got the rope set up on this side so to kind of swing that way a little bit. Our rigging point is set off here to the side to kind of avoid the carport. Then once we get these few limbs here, we're going to go ahead and switch ends, and we'll make this the secondary and that the primary. Okay, and then we're going to attack this side here. We got a large dead section right there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not in the video, but it's gonna be kind of tricky, you know. It's right over that carport and stuff, and we don't want to tear anybody's stuff up, you know. So we're gonna take it nice and slow, be nice and careful. So Alright, YouTube, so there's a little bit of window down there. I'm going to stick a notch in it and try to sweep right over the carport. We're going to try to miss this little dead branch. That's why I shaved those couple off so it wouldn't snag on the branch I'm on. And then we're going to get it in the log, probably in one. Ready? Yeah. Oh, well, it was a good save there because it did. YouTube, I planned for this to kind of go over there, but I forgot to smack the rope over there. So, you know, and James held it up because he knew right away that it was rubbing on my lanyard, you know, and we don't like that here. That could present a dangerous situation. I've seen other guys where these ropes move so fastly over this rope like this that it'll actually burn right through there like a razor blade with a heavy load. So that's something we want to avoid there, guys. So, but what I'm going to do is center tie this, James, and I'm going to go back to the trunk and cut her off. Okay, Hoss?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, YouTube, so that's like where I think is the center of gravity on this branch. So we're going to go back and just make one cut right back here at the trunk, kind of make swift work of that, okay? Now the idea on this one, James, is it's going to swing out to you out there in this opening out here. Okay. Yeah, it's a little tangly in there. All right. Now I'm not going to cut it like directly in at the fork because my rope's there. So I'm just going to kind of peel cut it out and hope it balances pretty well. Very well, gentlemen. Very well. Very good job. So what we're gonna do next, we got James backpiling the rope. He's gonna backpedal that to where we're gonna be using this side now. We're gonna go up and deal with that dead section, and I believe that we're gonna cut this dead or this green branch here out of the way, and then try to swing that dead top in there, you know, to kind of limit the dead branches and stuff that's going to fall down on this carport down here. You know, that's something we don't want to do is destroy anybody's property or even put any dents or anything in here, you know. If you guys watched our last video, he's talking about flowers and just women's yards and things, you know. You guys, you don't want to smash them ladies' flowers, man. They're going to get you. You know, they'd be upset when you leave, you know, so. Hostas, all that stuff. We don't smash no hostas. We don't do any of that unless we consult the client first, and it just cannot be helped, you know. But anyways, we're going to bring you guys along. We're going to get on up to the top, mosey on up there, and we'll see you at that green branch up there right below that dead one. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, I know. Yeah, super rotten. Yeah, super rotten. Super corky, dude. I'm probably gonna have to cut that right here and kind of chuck that down. That's not gonna stay on there, YouTube. Now maybe that out there, guys, that's probably gonna stay on there, YouTube, but not this one. She way dead. She's like a boiled spaghetti noodle. What that's like. Good night. We're gonna cut that off first, YouTube. We're gonna get that out of here. That's a hazard. Do a little over the back maneuver here. Successful. Can you pop me that line, please, James? I've got it. I got it, actually. Sorry about that. Just being a lazy climber. Sorry. I'm gonna reach out a little ways, YouTube, and kind of mid tie this to kind of float it off, because I got a couple suckers down there, and you know, it might just hang up. You know how branches are sometimes. They just kind of give you a pain in the butt. Little stub, little twig. It might just be anything. Just kind of can really cause a big inconvenience. Clear. All right. You are ready on a knot? Yeah. The rope? Yeah, it's slack. There you go. Here it comes. Yes, sir. Very nice. Okay, YouTube, so while they're getting that untied, we're gonna kind of look over this branch here. It's that dead section we've been talking about. And rather than me butt tie it and cut it here and let it flip upside down and all that stuff, I think I'm just gonna like mid tie it right there and try to, you know, I wouldn't necessarily call it a tip tie, but it'd be like a mid tie. Just kind of help it float out there, maybe give us a less movement. Because like I said, we got a couple suckers down here, right there. Just one. Looks like a bunch, but if that gets hung up, some of that might break out of there. So I think we're gonna tie it about right in there. The branch pretty rotten, YouTube. Got a little fungus growing on it right there. You know, that's a major indicator of internal rot there, so we kind of want to be delicate. Oh man, look at that, YouTube. You see what I mean? Just rotten, boy. Ready on it, James? Okay. Move down here and we'll make the cut. Very nicely done, gentlemen. Good rope running, James. Hell, good catch, Chris. Good catch, buddy. Yeah, he did. Go ahead and untie that and pop it to me, Chris. Thank you. All right, so we got this one tip tied here. Basically, we're just gonna run down there and cut it at the trunk. Okay. Or the beanstalk, whatever you want to call it. Unfortunately, this guy's name isn't Jack, or we'd say it's Jack's beanstalk, you know, Jack and the beanstalk. But anyways, we're gonna go down there and get this thing cut. We just got a little bit of left in the top. Probably some of the hardest parts though. It's gonna be right there over this hickory tree. And other than that, it's just straightforward time and liability, you know, so.
Is that good?
Yeah, should be. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
What kind of whistle is that?
Yeah. No, those boys ain't gonna get nothing over there.
Yeah. Oh, you can hear that, YouTube. There's one of them Bob White birds over there. All right, YouTube. So I think we're gonna do a twofer here. One of them being right here, the other one here. So the way I'll set this up is we'll cut this one, let it hang. Here, well, I'll just get it tied up and then I'll explain it. Okay, YouTube, so what I got here, I've got a girth hitch is what I like to use on my twofers, okay? So I got a girth hitch here, and then it comes down to a bowline. We're gonna cut this one, let it hang, and then we're gonna trigger this branch to lower down. So sometimes you got a little limb and you just don't wanna waste time, you can hook yourself up a twofer there. You're good. Well, that there, YouTube, is a successful twofer. So now we're gonna tie onto here and we'll just cut this right here and kind of let it fall. You know, we gotta look out, we got a little bit of a light right there. You know, we don't wanna hit that, so we're gonna be careful with that. But then we'll be probably over here, we'll get this one. We'll get them two tops there and peel the tops. We'll be outski of this one. And we got that super hazardous dead ash down there. So, all right, so we got her rigged up here. Got me a bowline tied in here. There are a few little dead twigs and tips out there, nothing crazy, so it should be okay. We're gonna, first off, we're gonna slick this stop off here, you know, because I can see this rope coming down and getting hung on that stop. So we're gonna flush that off, make it nice and smooth for that rope to roll over. Might have to give the rope a pop to get it to go on this side. We'll hope it don't go over here, you know what I mean? So we're gonna send it. You ready, James? Go ahead and let it down a little bit. Hold that. Hold. Okay, well, I'm sorry, buddy. Gosh, damn. I couldn't. Let it go. No, it needed a lead on it. Let it come down slow. Don't burn me. Get in there, Chris. All right. Well, YouTube, that right there, that's the type of stuff that'll get you. Should have put a lead line out at the end of that and had them guys pulling that with a tag line, you know what I mean? Pushing on that and it just kind of broke and didn't have time to even smack my rope around the front. You know, most climbers, they know what I'm talking about, but just didn't have enough time. But hey, it all worked out. We're all right. Got a little rope burn right there on my wrist. Got a little banged up, but we're all right. That's why you wear all this gear for, you know what I mean? Keep you safe. Keep you in the tree. Seen some gnarly accidents. So that's the main thing, is we're still here. Now we try to do the best we can and avoid situations like that, but sometimes it happens. No. Go towards Chris a little with the rope if you could. Thank you. All right, ready? There you go, James. All right, YouTube, so we're gonna kind of hinge this one just right out that way, get it to swing clear of that hickory tree there. nice. Very nice. Woo! All right. Man. I'm gonna tie this one up, YouTube, and we're gonna rig it down, bring you guys along. Figured I'd put you guys on a new perspective, you know, give you a different view. What we're setting up here for YouTube is we're gonna rig this piece here, but it's out over this hickory tree. I don't know if you see that hickory tree over there or not, but we want it to go that way. We don't want any more stuff across my lanyard like we've had earlier, so I'm actually gonna put that in the video. I'm not ashamed, you know, everybody makes mistakes. So thank you guys for watching, and if you guys enjoy this video, leave it a like, go to our channel. If you like the stuff you see there, you guys go ahead and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching our videos. We're gonna get back to the action. All right, YouTube, so we're up here with one of the last tops. We got it leaning out over this hickory tree right here. We got a lead line stuck on it, and we'll probably try to pull it out here in this opening, try to get it to slide in there. But you see it's pretty good sized top. Okay, we got it tied here, so bring you guys along. Stay right where you're at, Chris. That right there makes this tree a wrap, YouTube. We thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the journey with us, bringing this big old monster ash tree down. It was a pretty good doozy, okay? You can see a really squirrely trunk down there. We're still kind of rocking from that rigging, but it was a doozy. I tell you what, and if you guys like this video, please be sure to leave it a like. Go to our channel, check it out. If you like the content there, be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Take that red rope. Yep. Man, that thing's wobbly. Well, there you have it, YouTube. Trees down, carport safe, railroad ties are safe. There's the tree trunk. There's the hinge on the stump for those that care. Thanks for watching our videos. Go ahead and check out our channel. Give us a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.